This is our second problem. The sum of 2 times the number and 6 divided by 4 gives us 3. So first thing we need to do is change that into an equation. So the sum of 2 times the number and 6 divided by 4 equals 3. Okay? 2 times the number and 6, the sum of that, divided by 4 equals 3. Okay? So we need to find out what b equals. Okay, we need to find out what b equals. So now we look at this and we say this is divided by 4. So we need to try and get this by itself. So the opposite of dividing by 4 is multiplying by 4. And remember, we need to do this to both sides. So we've got 2b plus 6 divided by 4 multiplied by 4 equals 3 times 4. Okay, we need to have that on both sides of the equals. So these cancel each other out. So we've got 2b plus 6 equals 12. Okay, now we want to get this by itself. So we've got plus 6 here. The opposite of plus 6 is we minus 6 from both sides. So 2b plus 6 minus 6 equals 12 minus 6. Okay, minus 6 on both sides of the equal sign. So 2b plus 6 minus 6 equals 2b, and 12 minus 6 equals 6. Okay, to get just to the b, we divide it by 2. Okay, divide by 2 from both sides, so b equals 3. Okay, and then that's our answer. We can test. Okay, and we can test by substituting in the value. So 2b plus 6 divided by 4 equals 3. So we substitute in our value of 3. So we've got 2 times 3 plus 6 bracket divided by 4 equals 3. Make sure you put the times. It's not on the bottom, otherwise it'll look like a decimal. Okay, so we've got 2 times 3 is 6, plus 6 divided by 4 equals 3. 12 divided by 4 equals 3, which is correct. So we know we've got the right answer. So that's how we solve them. Make sure we do the same thing on both sides of the equals.